what you talking about? Was it something about just now? Wasn't even paying attention, 'cause I'm lost in your direction. Show me the way, show me the way.
Okay, so first things first, I'm going to be stretching my hair. The reason why I'm going to be stretching my hair is because I've just been experimenting with just different techniques and different ways that I style my hair. And I actually stumbled upon this on accident. It was an experiment. I blow dried my hair and I wasn't sure what style I wanted to do. So I just did a twist out just to play it safe. And I was really shocked with how well my hair turned out, even though I didn't really use the right products for it. So I'm using products this time that I will discuss later on in the video. I'm using products that will fight humidity because it is starting to heat up a little bit. And I don't know, whenever we kind of transition into new seasons, that's always the time that I like to take to try different things just to see how my hair reacts. I feel like my hair kind of changes every single year. So what worked last year won't work this year. What worked 4 months ago won't work now. So first things first, I'm going to be stretching my hair. I'm going to be using the Dyson with a comb attachment, high speed, medium heat. My hair is freshly washed. I just have a little bit of the conditioner that I used in the shower. And the first product that I'm actually going to be using is another sort of like conditioning product. It is the Sunday Revive Me Daily Moisturizing Spray. So the reason why I'm using this is because it fights against humidity. And because I'm going to be doing this on, wow, I just sprayed my eyes. Love that for me. I'm going to be doing this on a stretch style this time. I'm not really going to have all that excess water to really give me a defined look. So I need as much anti-humidity as I can get. You know, I'm always just so blown whenever I stretch my hair just because the growth is just going crazy. And I'm going to be doing an updated like hair growth type of video. I'm going to talk about the benefits that I've noticed just from doing a twist out on stretched hair. I noticed that my hair does not tangle nearly as much as if I were to do a regular twist out or even a wash and go, which is a plus because it makes wash day way smoother. Number two, my curls are a lot more consistent and elongated. My curls are actually more consistent when I do a twist out regardless of how I prep my hair, but I just noticed I get a lot more length when my hair is basically stretched. On top of that, I could twist my hair and then take the twist out in the same day and have great results. So this is the Diva Curl Super Cream. I'm gonna be using this just because I already know how this performs in my hair. I know what I'm gonna get. Fire product, smells amazing, works amazing. And then I'm also gonna be using the WeDad Climate Control Heat and Humidity Gel. Like I said, the theme for this twist out is gonna be fighting humidity. Georgia humidity ain't nothing to play with, so you gotta come prepared and come correct, otherwise your hair gonna tell on you. One step that I always do is I oil my scalp. I usually do this as soon as I get out the shower. I did not do so this time because I didn't want to oil my scalp and then put heat on top of that and end up cooking my skin, cooking my hair. So I'm splitting my hair into halves again, and then I'm just gonna go through really quick and oil my scalp. This is so important regardless of what style you do. If you don't start with scalp care, you're not doing your hair right. I don't care what nobody says. We're taking a section this size. As you can see, not too small, not too thick. We want the twists to all be the same size and density. Otherwise, the curls aren't gonna be consistent. I mean, you could still make it work, but just to save yourself some time, just make sure all your twists are the same size. So I'm going in with the Super Cream first. I'm gonna be smoothing this into my roots, especially. I stretched my hair just because I really wanted an elongated twist out, and I really wanted to show you guys the benefits of doing a twist out on stretched hair. Now you do not have to use heat to stretch your hair. You could wash your hair at night and you could do like some really thick or really loose braids, and that'll stretch your hair until by the time you wake up, all you gotta do is twist it. I just do this because it's quicker, and my hair is obviously a lot more straighter than if I were to do braids. So I'm gonna take the climate control gel next. I have not used this product before, and I've heard many great reviews about it, so fingers crossed. Once the product is applied, I go through with the dimming brush and I will start twisting before my hair reverts. Another trick that I want to show you all is if you struggle with like getting your ends to actually curl, I don't know if it's just me, but sometimes that's just how my ends work. I could have the most amazing twist out in the past, but sometimes my ends would just ruin the whole style. So what I'll do is I'll take like an edge brush, something that has really like fine teeth, and then I'll just comb through like so, just to tangle it, and then coil it up. And then it'll curl up on its own. So these are the twists. Like I said earlier, they're not gonna take very long at all to dry. So I'm gonna let these set, get back with you guys, untwist these, and give you all the final look. I've returned. So the whole day has passed, and it's time to take out these twists. But before I do anything, I'm gonna oil my hands. And like I said, I'm gonna be trying new stuff in this video. So I'm gonna be using this Haitian Moringa oil by Creole Scents. And I'm just gonna take a generous amount of this and just put it in my hands, just to make sure my hands are nice and silky and soft, so that we don't disturb any of these beautiful curls that we work all morning to set. Y'all see that? The moisture. So you can kind of see the importance of detangling the hair before you actually twist it, because look at how easy these are coming apart. And this is just so satisfying. And just the way they spring right back in place. We have a lot going on. So do y'all see this right here? I don't know what happened or what I did, but I'm feeling it. I'm really excited because I did use a generous amount of gel, but there's no cast. But I mean, clearly my hair has definition, it's springy, it's really shiny, and it's really moisturized. That's the end of the video. No, I'm playing. All right, so what I'm gonna do now is, after I take the twist out, I like to split my hair up in half. So this is a hack. I'm gonna let y'all in on it, because they don't want you to know. But I got you. I got you. So what I like to do is, for the back and the bottom half of my hair, I will do the most separating. So what this does is it lifts up my hair and gives the illusion that I have way more volume than I actually do, because I don't want to over separate my curls on the first day, because my hair, it naturally gets bigger and it gets looser throughout the week. So I want to try to preserve the curls as much as possible. Just keep in mind, the more you separate, the more frizz you're gonna have. But I don't mind a little frizz. I think it adds a little personality, a little character. I don't like when my looks look too polished. It's kind of the same thing with my wash and goes too. Just a little rant. Some of you guys were saying that my curl pattern looks different, or actually one person actually said that my hair looks damaged, which really baffled me, like really baffled me. But no, what has changed is I really love the volume that my hair has, so I just really aid to that by using less product and focusing less on getting them super defined, but just moisturized and fluffy, because the fluffier your hair is, the bigger it is. I felt like this was definitely self-explanatory in the video, but I guess not. And if you missed the video, I will have it somewhere in one of the corners at the top. Okay, so the last thing I do is go ahead and create some volume. So do a little bit of this. It's like a little light scalp massage, but I'm also trying to like lift my roots up with my fingertips. And we will be going in with the pick too. So I picked my hair at the top up, everything else away from my face. And then the bottom half, I pick it like going down. So I pick the hair to stretch it a little bit, stretch the roots going down. So away, up, away, down. Now another thing is, I don't know if you can see, there are a couple pieces that are kind of straggly or just got a little frizzy. What I'm gonna do is just take a little bit more of the super cream, like the smallest amount, and I'm just going to smooth it over until the frizz is no more. You see that? And then when it dries, it's gonna get fuller so that it doesn't look wet and flat. So yeah, I just do that to like just little pieces here and there. So these are the curls, you guys. This is the finished look. I'm really excited because I think this is like the best my hair has turned out since trying this experiment. This is my third time because I filmed it once, didn't have any audio. First time I did this, it was just an experiment. I should have filmed that, but I guess third time's the charm. I'm really excited because my hair's gonna look even better throughout the week. So sometimes I will wear my hair like this, but for the most part, I will do like a half up, half down, which y'all have seen here and there this year. That's like my go-to for when I want to keep my hair out of my face. But yeah, this is the finished look. Really happy with these. If you made it to the end, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to my channel. Let me know what you guys think of these results. Let me know if you actually try this out. Like I said, you don't have to put heat on your hair to stretch your hair. There are multiple ways you can do this. This is just my preferred way. This is actually an experiment, but it ended up being something that I really, really like and I will probably lean towards as we move towards summer. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys in my next one.
I don't even pay attention, 'cause I'm lost in